Renew your ERSEA certification with Henry and the team at HGJA. Stay current and strengthen your organization's compliance by maintaining your ERSEA certification. Our interactive hands-on training equips early childhood and human services professionals with the latest best practices and policy updates to support effective ERSEA systems and program compliance. Learn current updates. Review the latest ERSEA regulations, guidance, and policy changes. Explore proven strategies to strengthen eligibility, recruitment, selection, enrollment, and attendance. Gain compliance confidence by building systems that support accurate documentation and program integrity. Those who should be in attendance include ERSEA managers, eligibility and enrollment staff, family services, program directors, compliance staff, and Head Start and Early Head Start leadership. Join us in person or virtually on September 15th and 16th, 2026, 9:30 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. Visit hgja.com to register today. See you soon.